Well, it was a little bit mushy, but it's great because it's perfect for my mango sticky rice. So what's in it? We have mango, of course. Now you want to make sure it's this shape and size. If you get them like the bigger one, like the ones from Mexico, it won't give you the same kind of sweetness. So it has to be the small, like a seed shape like mango, and yellow to indicate that it's ripe and sweet. Next, we have our coconut cream that we'll be using for our dessert, palm sugar. Lastly, we have our pandan leaves. These pandan leaves give this nice fragrance. A lot of the Thai cooking and the Lao cooking uses for the dessert, and also some of the main dishes like pandan wrapped barbecue chicken and other things. And it's also great for tea. So good. And of course, our sticky rice we cooked is in here. We will be using that baby to make our mango sticky rice. Let's begin. First of all, we need to make our coconut cream sauce. So we have these pandan leaves. If you put them together, it's about 2 long leaves. Otherwise, if you do like this size, it's probably just 5 to 6 pieces. Throw it in there. And I'll probably put, let's do 3 of this palm sugar. Actually, let's do 1 more. And then we need 2 cups. No, 1.5 is fine, because we don't have that much rice today. Coconut cream goes in here. Then we stir until the sugar melts. You know, before I forget, we're gonna do like a little pinch of salt. This is like maybe 1/4 teaspoon of salt, like a pinch. Okay. Looking at our coconut cream sauce, we have our palm sugar here. We have a little salt in there. We have our pandan leaves in here. And of course our coconut cream. This is about medium heat. We're just gonna slowly cook this until our coconut milk and pandan leaves and salt and sugar all blended in very smoothly. I would say we just let this slowly simmer for about 5 minutes. So let's begin peeling our mango. I have my cutting board, I have my knife, I have my mango, and the plate where I want to put my mango. Start from here. I just use my hands. Cut it all around thinly. That's 1 strand. And if your mango is not ripe or yellow enough, it will give a little tartness, so make sure it's yellow and sweet. Let's go ahead and check on our sauce, and we'll come back to this. So it looks like all of our sugar have melted into our coconut cream. Everything's all blended. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the flame. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit on the side so I can pour over my rice mango. A little bit of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pandan leaves. Can you see the color? Because of the palm sugar, it has slight tint yellow to it now. That's ready to be mixed into our rice. Now that we have our coconut cream ready, let's get our cooked sticky rice. We cooked this in the Instant Pot, remember? 1 cup of sticky rice makes 2 cups of cooked sticky rice. I'm gonna add them here to my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and pour our coconut cream over our rice. Let's start with 1 scoop at a time. And you want to serve this hot, because the moment it cools down, then the rice will get too hard to eat. Another scoop. Just fold it in. Ooh, that looks great. 2 scoops of that is just fine, because I'm only gonna use 1 mango. That's about 2 people serving, or 1 person if you wanna use the whole mango. So this has been sitting about 5 to 10 minutes. It's absorbing all the deliciousness of the coconut cream sauce that we prepared. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this now. It's about 1 person's size, so just a little rice right here. Now that we have our rice, our mangoes, we peel the mangoes. I'm just gonna cut in half all the way through like this. If you're not an experienced person, use your cutting board. Just cut across like that. Scoop it up with my knife and lay it out. Just like that, fan it out a bit. Extra sauce that I saved, I'm just gonna pour the coconut cream again over it. And if you have roasted sesame seeds or poppy seeds, you can sprinkle some on top, but that's how I like mine, just like that. So here's the final product. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And again, I'm always open to suggestions and comments. Can't wait to eat this sticky mango rice because it's spring and you'll see a lot of these mangoes at the market, especially summer. So thanks for joining me. And don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Thanks. My friend Donna, she's here to taste the sticky mango rice for you guys. So she's gonna be honest, right, Donna?
Yes.
Okay, let's have it. Let's see what you got there.
Oh my god. It's delicious. The sticky rice come out good. The sauce is good. The coconut milk is really good. And the mango it's sweet also too. I want more. Thank you, Miss Lasame.
It's not too sweet, right?
No. It's perfect.
Yeah.
More rice. Because it's good.